Nefirigisheni rira tafaniryo ni maafitha ruhonge rwa kuhurana na unyui na wendia wa ndawa cia kurebia guko bururi-ini rwa NACADA na marahithukia nyungu 24 cia Shisha na guikia ngono Ekuirwo iria wendia wa Shisha mwena wa HURLINGHAM guku Nairobi. NACADA yugite no iguthie na mbere na mungururio yo niguo gutigirira ni ahinga cienderio ciothe cia Shisha kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
We shall continue with the crackdown on issues of Shisha, issues of the tobacco products which are illegal within the nation of Kenya. So the message is very clear. Let us desist. Any public has the authority to report to NACADA, that is 1192, on issues of all issues of NACADA, whether alcohol abuse or issues of drugs.
Bunge la wananchi.
Na kio gikundi gia kuhuranira ihoto cia muingi bunge la wananchi ni kiandikiire bunge ya bururi kuhitukira kamiti ya ugitiri gikienda itabania uthuthuria thibitari-ini wa Karen kumana na kuhotithia mubunge wa JUJA George Koimburi kuhithirira giko giake gia kwinyita migwate. Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa Lawrence Oyugi. Gikundi giki kirenda bunge heane mendekithie maruru ma kiwatho niguo gutigirira uria wothe wa kuruhanirio na giko giki ni ang'ethanirwo ni watho kuona kiri na ugwati wa guthararia ugiteri wa bururi.
Sisi kama bunge la wananchi tumeweka petition yetu, tunataka parliament ichukue hatua ndio hizi visarakasi tunaona katika dunia, katika nchi yetu ya Kenya iishe once and for all.
Should it be established that the member of parliament for JUJA choreographed and scripted desperately this abduction in an attempt to destabilize national security, Bunge la Mwananchi calls upon the Speaker of National Assembly to immediately suspend him from all sessions of parliament. Kiama Engineer Institute of Engineers of Kenya nigiukireire gwikururia gwa kuhithukio kwa micoro ya nyumba ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Ari mbere ya kamiti yegie mibango ya bunge ya Nairobi, murugamiriri munene wa kiama giki Shama Kiteme erite kamiti no ma engineers matirahota kurumirira mawira mao haria makinyetio maneana micoro yao niguo ihitukio, undu uria uracungiriria mihinga miingi wira-ini wao na waki wa nyumba.
These issues touch on submissions for development approval to the county. Submissions we have done, they have either taken very long for approvals to be granted, and we are not able to track where the approval is, what stage. And so we raised these issues after several complaints coming from our members.
Na muthia aikari kuma gicigo-ini ubunge gia Tiati kaunti-ini ya Baringo mari na gitumi gia gukena thutha wa ciana igiri iria irari na thina wa gwatuka kiromo guteithika na urigiti uria uraheanirwo ni thibitari wa Nairobi unyitaniri na ikundi itari cia githirikari ta Save a Life Community na Help a Child Face Tomorrow.
We feel more comfortable, we feel more happy when we see what the work that we have done and we have helped makes a difference in their lives.
We have done so many cases here, worth millions for the last 3 years, worth millions. And can you for sure, we are indeed transforming lives in a big way. And these are called to all Kenyans. If we can unite for this, we can continue in doing this in a big way.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njetago Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.